Here we will see creating array with array module. An array is created by importing an array module to the Python program. There are three ways for importing the array module. First, by using import array at the top of the file, that is import array. Then second is use import array as ARR, that is variable name. So import array as ARR and use from array import start. General syntax for defining array is array name equal to array, then type code and number of elements. Where array name is the name of the array, the type code specifies what kind of elements would you store in the array, that is data type of the array, and inside square bracket you mention the elements that would be stored in the array, with each element being separated by a comma. You can also create an empty array by just writing array name equal to array type code alone. This will create an array without any element. Different type codes that can be used with different data types while defining the Python arrays are: B is used for defining signed character, capital B is used to unsigned character, U is used to Unicode character, small h is used to signed short integer, capital H is used to define unsigned short integer, I is used to define signed integer, capital I is used to define unsigned integer, small l is used to define signed long, and capital L is defined for unsigned long. Small q is defined for signed long and capital Q is defined for unsigned long. F is defined for float and D is defined for double. Here is an example for defining array. First we will use import statement, that is import array as ARR, and then we will define integer array as numbers equal to ARR, that is object for array module ARR dot array. I is the data type for that array and the values are 10, 20 and 30. To define a floating point array, we will define as numbers equal to array. Since the data type is floating, we will define here D, and then values are 10.0, 20.0 and 30.0.